The CurdyBoard SN shower niche offers convenient storage in your shower. In larger format niches, a shelf can be a handy way to add in additional storage options. The Schluter Shelf N is a convenient and stylish option to add a shelf into your niche. The stainless steel shelves are available in a rectangle shape to fit perfectly in your niche, and are available in several different designs to match our drain grates. There are many other Schluter products that can be used to create a shelf within a niche. One option is to use Schluter profiles in conjunction with tile. The profile finishes the edge of the tile and creates a simple and sleek shelf. Another option is to install a glass shelf using our Deco SG profiles. Or simply using a piece of threshold is another option that can be installed in the CurdyBoard SN shower niche. Using scrap pieces of Schluter CurdyBoard is a very convenient and customizable way to create a shelf for a niche. The minimum required thickness for a shelf is 3/4 inch CurdyBoard. The board is offered in a variety of sizes, all the way to 2 inches. Let's take a look at the simple assembly and installation of a shelf using CurdyBoard. We prepared 2 pieces of 1/2 inch CurdyBoard that we had left over from our installation on the walls of our shower. We cut and prepared the CurdyBoard such that it fits appropriately in the niche. Using thin-set mortar, install the 2 pieces of CurdyBoard together. Alternatively, CurdyFix can be used for this as well. From here, we'll apply CurdyBand around the shelf. Measure and cut the CurdyBand so that it can be wrapped around the perimeter of the shelf. Dry fit the CurdyBand around the shelf. Mark and cut relief cuts at the corner. Using thin-set mortar and the Schluter Curdy trowel, apply thin-set mortar around the shelf. Install and embed the CurdyBand, ensuring a 2-inch overlap around the perimeter of the shelf. Determine the location within the niche where the shelf will be installed. We're installing the shelf in the middle of the niche. Begin tile installation up to where the niche will be installed. Tile can also be installed on the shelf prior to installation. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the shelf will be installed. Install the shelf. Keep in mind that the shelf must be sloped within the niche. Continue setting tile and profiles to complete the installation. Whether it's the Shelf N, using Schluter profiles, or creating your own with CurdyBoard, there are so many Schluter products that provide an easy, convenient, and stylish shelf within your shower niche. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.